The art of head shaving has had a few advances over the years, but nothing like the OmniShaver. We rethought the way a head should be shaved and created the OmniShaver. The revolutionary new design cuts hair from both directions, making for the fastest, easiest head shave ever. Our ergonomic design puts the razor right in your hand for the most natural contact. Having the razor right in your fingertips gives you the freedom to feel and move around to shave every last hair. Our system is the only head shaving razor capable of moving in both directions. The fully independent floating shaving head maintains a perfect angle of attack to minimize cuts and abrasions. Cutting the hair from both directions gives you a closer shave with less passes, which avoids irritating the skin. OmniShaver does not need to be rinsed during your shave. The razor is designed in such a way that hair accumulation gets pulled from the blades with every pass. The OmniShaver is also self-stropping. The same way barbers use a leather strop to sharpen their straight razors, the OmniShaver will self-polish during use. OmniShaver uses fully independent floating shaving head technology. OmniShaver will follow the contours of your scalp to maintain ideal blade edge angle of attack. OmniShaver has been in development for over a decade, but now we are finally ready to share our shaving technology with the world. Check out our crowdfunding campaign and see how this shaver is making strides never before achieved. OmniShaver, the future of shaving.